Or is it look like without? You got flash on? What's the flash on? What's it look like without the night mode? Flash. Want a temperature?
One more time.
A temper?
You want it?
I'll move out the way.
1 second. We got tie wire.
Bring it out the way.
No, I don't want those. Get them out of here. Tie wire y para amarrar. You got the knee board right there? It's okay, don't worry about it.
There's a knee board behind you, G.
I got the wire. I got the pliers. David, these are all right here. Tie wire for Richard.
Yeah.
Give me room, give me room, give me room, give me room right now. You can stop. I'm gonna dump it in here too. Put it in a bucket and clean the wheelbarrow. There's one like this too. Curtis. The Curtis. Yeah, yeah. I just didn't want you to come over here and fuck me up. I'm almost done. How much water we got?